Welcome to the Monday Flotation Program, World Situation. My guest will be Kaniel Otis, engineer from the Middle East.
Hello everyone.
The questions were prepared by the audience. Here is first.
Okay, I'm listening.
How help from United States of America really helped and how encumber of Afghan's habitat?
The topic is very rough, but I will try to answer. It has developed a lot of heat energy in the factories. There were many boilers steam. Into the cities began to often arrive locomotives with food. Our technicians have learned to transform low and high voltage value with the help of transformers. Also financial assistance help us develop the industrial economy.
How have companies grown so quickly, Mr. Otis?
Company executives have begun to invest in modern devices.
What kind?
Various kinds of transducers, for example, temperature transmitter or electroacoustic transmitter.
Since you are a technician, could you describe in action an electroacoustic transmitter?
Of course, that's why I come to your program.
We listen with interest.
It is a device that converts electric current into acoustic amplitude.
In imitation of string vibration?
Exactly.
How it helped economy, Mr. Otis?
Due to technology, Acoustic Waves developed a world-renowned company with microphones, speakers and headphones.
We also know that the Taliban has seized most of equipment. According to our information, they are in possession of $20 million worth of American technology used for industrial disturbance.
Unfortunately, it's true. In addition, portable engines may amplify operation of interference.
Is there a device that is resistant to this?
As of this moment, research is underway.
Thank you very much for the interview and good luck.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Welcome to the Tuesday Flotation Program, World Situation. My guest will be Michael Schofield, quantum physicist and inventor.
Good morning, everyone.
Congratulations on the first place in worldwide competition for inventor.
Thank you very much.
Would you tell us about your creation?
Of course. I won with this project, analog to digital converter.
How does it work, Mr. Schofield?
It's operate on 0-1 architecture. It's convert analog to digital converter.
Is it possible to swap?
Yes, then we are a twin device, digital to analog converter.
Does it have any effect on electrical circuit?
No, circuit is passive, will keep original frequency.
I hear we are running out of our time. My guest was Michael Schofield. Thank you for the interview and goodbye.
Goodbye. Welcome to Wednesday Flotation Program World Situation. Today we report from unusual place, a factory of measuring instruments. To begin with, management to coach one of the main ones from the caliper department. Give a warm welcome to Pablo Jones.
Hello.
To begin with, perhaps you could explain what caliper actually are and how they are used?
In short, they are one of the most popular and versatile measuring instruments and are used as follows. On the first, you're holding a thumb grip. Next, you put the caliper on the surface. You move the slider. Next, you use inside or outside measuring jaws depending on what you need. Tighten the set screw. And finally, you can check the measurement on the main scale. If the caliper has vernier, it will be more accurate.
What an interesting and useful subject. Wow, my next question will be what are your duties at the factory?
My main tasks are to control the workers and to make sure that the production line of calipers and micrometers are work properly.
So, you also deal with micrometers. I have not heard of measuring instrument. What is it and how is it used?
It's made of U-shaped steel frame and sleeve. You must grab thimble and find material. You put material in a spindle. Next, you tighten the ratchet. In the end, you check the stop nut and lock nut. If you have a new model of micrometer, you must check adjusting nut too.
You are very knowledgeable in this area. I want to thank you very much for this interview, and we will move on the guest of eventing, Plant General Management, Yuan West.
Hello everyone.
Okay, how did your story with measuring instruments begins?
When I was still in school, I had an amazing metrology teacher. He taught me everything he knew about system of units, types of graduation, and much more. Then I saw that I liked it and I was very good. I started thinking about how to combine that with making money. In the beginning, I opened a small store. Screw pitch gauge and height gauge were the bestseller. I also sold bore gauge and depth gauge there, made of durable material. After a few years, when I was able to make a lot of money, I opened my life's work, which was a factory. There, I could produce everything I had sold before. In addition, I could add feller gauge and radius gauge to the range.
Thanks for that. You now have the largest factory in the world with measuring instrument. Your story is very interesting. We wish you continued success and thank the viewers for watching today's show. Please join us tomorrow at the same time. Goodbye everyone.